Wow! Is that all for you?
Yes, all
Wow.
for Chloe.
How do you open this?
If you can't open it, you can't have it.
Rip it off.
Huh?
Rip it off.
What?
Hang on, let's just
Look it up.
Oh wow.
Oh my god! Chocolate!
It's the biggest chocolate bar we could find.
Oh my god!
Yum, 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 yum! I totally want to share it with you guys.
Oh my
You
god!
better share too.
She has 10 months to eat it. Expires in October.
Oh. She won't have any problems, don't worry.
Recycle. Chocolate again?
No, something different. It's just a box, a regular old box.
A regular old box. What is in that regular old box?
I think it's jewelry.
Ah, ah, what?
Push, push. Oh,
Oh, okay.
Open the drawstring.
look at this. Oh my god.
See, Mommy, can you?
咩嚟㗎？睇，Let me see.
No.
Let me see. 大唔大
And
啊？
I'm gonna slip in here. This one. This one feels like clothes.
I don't know.
It's socks.
Oh yeah.
A purse.
A purse.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Wow.
Top, princess, right?
Yep, princess.
Princess purse.
Yeah, I wonder if there's anything inside.
$10,000.
Nothing.
It's a new car.